Hello, dear friends. In this video, we'll be tackling question 8 from the June 2024 Regents Examination in Algebra 1. What is the degree of the polynomial 2x minus x squared plus 4x cubed? To find the degree of the polynomial, we need to identify the highest power of the variable x in the polynomial. The degree of a polynomial is defined as the highest exponent on the variable x in any of its terms, when the polynomial is expressed in its standard form. Let's break down the given polynomial, 2x minus x squared plus 4x cubed. Term 1, 2x. The exponent of x in this term is 1. Term 2, negative x squared. The exponent of x in this term is 2. Term 3, 4x cubed. The exponent of x in this term is 3. The exponents are 1, 2, and 3, respectively. The highest exponent among these is 3. Therefore, the degree of the polynomial 2x minus x squared plus 4x cubed is 3, which corresponds to option 3. If you found this video helpful and informative, please hit the like button. For more updates, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. We'd like to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to leave a comment.